I wish this was an act. Like, I wish that I actually like knew what day it was and was just pretending not to know, but like a two-piece one, so I get a little beard on first. I mean, it's obviously made for me because I'm extra, but you Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video I have for you, it is day 6 of April 2019 box week. I still am like, what day is it? This is honestly like, I wish this was an act. Like, I wish that I actually like knew what day it was and was just pretending not to know, but I actually like am struggling with life. Also, we're brand new YouTube channel. Hi, welcome. I'm Drew. This is the time of month where we have a new video every day for a week. I feel like if I say it that way, I do it better. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment. Yeah, that's what I've been saying all week long. I'm just telling people if you want to though. Like, I don't want you to feel like you need to. Like, I don't know. It's weird. Okay, anyway, so getting into the video. So today is the Just Like Drew crew, the Just Like Drew family. It is our favorite day of box week because this is the day where we face mask and chill together. And so basically I open up my face mask subscription box, Facetory. If you want to check that out, there's a link below to get one for yourself. Anyway, so before we get started, I want you guys to know that I'm going to be putting in this face mask into our stockpile giveaway. It's called Hectic. It's pack time. I think we got like one of these brand face mask thingies like a year or more ago from Facetory, but I found some of these at like TJ Maxx. I was like, oh my gosh. So we're putting that into our stockpile giveaway, which by the way, after tomorrow's video, I'll be filming a video telling you how you can enter to win this box full of makeup, skincare, probably hair care products as well. So tonight I'm going to be putting on a face mask. I'll say why, I don't know why I'm saying tonight. Maybe this video will be up in the morning. So today, we're going to be putting on this face mask. I'm doing Soap and Glory Speed Plump Miracle Moisture Pack face mask. I'm going to put on my kitty ears. So if you have a face mask at home, pause this video. It doesn't have to be a sheet mask. It could be a peel-off mask, whatever your face mask prefers. I got my kitty cat ears on. And I'm going to be doing this one. Like I said, this is good for dry and dehydrated skin. And my skin has just been like suffering. Like, I haven't talked about this much on YouTube, and maybe I'll make a video about this in the next like couple of weeks, but I've actually been struggling a lot with dehydration issues, which like I said, I'm not going to get into in this video, but basically my skin is struggling because of the fact that my body is struggling to stay hydrated, which I am working towards, by the way, so don't worry about me. It's just having a little hiccup right now. This is a two-piece one, so I get a little beard on first. And it's a hydrogel. I love hydrogel masks. I think I've talked about this before. Hydrogel masks are amazing because I feel like you just get like so much more moisture than you normally would get with a hydrogel mask as opposed to just using like a standard sheet mask. But I like regular sheet masks too. I just feel like hydrogel masks make me feel extra fancy, you know what I mean? Also, I've noticed hydrogel masks are really great for guys who like face masking because if it's a two-piece one like this one, then the nice thing for them is like if they have a beard, like Josh and Justin do, they don't have to put the other piece on their beard. They can actually put it, a lot of times they end up putting it on their extra forehead space. Like, I don't know what the deal is, but like a lot of guys just got like more forehead going on. We're not gonna get into that today. So we're gonna be opening up Facetory. I've gotten smarter, it's a little extra on my hands. I've gotten smarter about cutting this box open before being on video. There's been so many times where like I'd film a video and I'd go to cut the box open and I was like, I'm going to cut my hand. So Facetory is a monthly face mask subscription. They have two variations of their subscription service. So there is the 4-pack, which is like they're more basic. It ends up being about $10 per month with like tax and shipping. And there's one that I do, which is 7 luxury Korean beauty masks. And the other one is Korean beauty masks as well. And it ends up being around $20, but you get 7 masks. I prefer this because I mask so often. So people ask me how often I mask. I mask pretty much every single day. I usually do a sheet mask probably like 5 to 7 days a week, and then I do I try to like at night usually do like a more like a wash off, like a clay or a rose mask, something like that. So this month it says super fruits are super you. Oh, for a super you. Okay. They keep giving us these new like little postcard thingies, which I feel like is really great. Maybe I'll eventually start sending them out to people. I don't know why I'm not sending them out, but I should be sending out these postcards. Like, this just made me realize that like I have an opportunity to send a little something happy to somebody and I'm not doing it. So then it makes me feel bad. Okay, anyway, so getting into this is the tissue paper this month. It's this nice like pretty little coral color. And one of the things I tell you guys, my favorite thing about these boxes is they always give you a card inside that tells you all about the face masks that you're receiving and how they work, because you got to remember these are Korean beauty, so the majority of them are not actually written with instructions in English. So they tell you exactly what is in the product, how it works for you, what is good for you, and I feel like that is such a smart way to do a subscription service. So the very first mask, it's been dog-eared a little bit, but this is Let's Talk Vitality Firming Mask with Pomegranate from the actual Facetory brand. So Facetory, for like probably getting close to a year now, started rolling out their own face mask brands. Actually, maybe it's more like 6 months, but they've like started making their own actual in-house face masks, which are pretty good, I have to say. Like, I feel like they're getting better over time. When they started out, I was kind of like, okay, these are good, but I feel like recently they've been stepping up their game. So this is Be Bright for a Bright Geez, I can't read right now. Be Bright, BU Brightening Mask. Why can't I read? Skin in need of a lift. Let's Talk Vitality. This firming mask uses antioxidants rich in punica granatum fruit extract and moisturizing shea butter to turn a tired complexion into plump, hydrated skin. Well, they must have heard me talking, because obviously that's exactly what I needed, was a vitality mask. I just didn't know it yet. So thanks, guys. The next thing that we have is the Lotus, and that is this mask here. It's very pretty. Like, I like the packaging. What do you guys feel about the packaging? I feel like it's very, like, just like really pretty, from Pure Jeju Island. The Lotus Soothing and Whitening Mask. Soothe and brighten your complexion. This nourishing sheet mask infused with camellia oil make it super soft so that it applies effortlessly onto the skin. The soft sheet mask and nutrient-rich essence will provide you with a luscious layer of moisture. The next mask that we have, funny enough, my mom still had hers of this when we got it a while ago. It was like a green one, but it's like the Juice Cleanse Mask. So my mom got this and she was like, I don't know if I want to do that mask. And I was like, essentially, I remember last time you have to like take this and you have to dump it in here and like swish it all around. And then you wear this as the mask. So this, just use this to pour into here. And it's like on a dry mask. Personally, I feel like a mask like this, I don't really know why you actually have to do as a two-step. I feel like, honestly, it's a little bit of showmanship. Like, sometimes people are just so caught up on the packaging that they're just like, let's do it this way. Now, maybe there's something in the juice, like concentrate, that you can't actually have it on a sheet mask. Maybe it'll dry out. I don't know. I just feel like it's a little bit showmanship, but at the same time, I mean, if it works, it works. Juice Cleanse Mask, Raspberry and Lentil two times plus. It's time to brighten your complexion. This cute sheet mask activates when you combine the vitamin C dot mask with nourishing raspberry and lentil filled essence. Okay, so I guess maybe that's it, because this has like vitamin C dots all over it. I don't think you guys can see it because of my light. But basically, I suppose that's maybe the reason why that one is so extra, is what we're gonna just say. I mean, it's obviously made for me because I'm extra, but you get what I'm saying? So the next one is Yada Brightening Jelly Mask. You know what's funny? I think I almost bought this the other day at like Kohl's or something, and then I didn't. The reason why is because Kohl's had this whole like, we have face masks on sale, and then they didn't. You know what I mean? Like, they did this whole like, oh, all these masks are on sale, but then these ones actually weren't. I don't know, something weird. But I ended up not buying it. Or maybe it wasn't on sale. Either way, I almost bought it, and then I didn't. And now I got it in the Facetory box, so that was a win. Yada Brightening Jelly Mask, which I've actually started picking up this brand of mask when I see them. So I will say that Yada, they've started carrying random ones from them at TJ Maxx. So if you see Yada, whatever, how you say it, they actually are now like at TJ Maxx in like box packs. You usually get them in like 5 or 10 in a box for a decent price. Feel like brightening your day? The sheet mask is a great option for a quick pick-me-up with ingredients enriched in citrusy goodness. Your skin will be well hydrated and radiant. What are you waiting for? Get glowing. Alright, the next one that we have is, ooh, this is interesting because I've used this brand, but not like one that looks like this. And also mine looks like it's got like a little line on it. This is No HJ Skin Mammon Blueberry Wine Mask. Ooh, interesting. Give your skin loads of hydration. This mask is filled with great ingredients that help boost and protect your complexion. It provides brightening, hydrating, and anti-aging benefits. So I've seen the No HJ before. We've gotten them before, but not one that actually has something like this. Look, also they have like wine on the back and like this little creepy cave. Well, that doesn't get you excited. I don't know. I don't know what else will. Our next one we have is Alicia Koi Revitalizing Ampui Solution Mask. Ooh, look at that. It's like got all kinds of coconut, like serum-y goodness just on the cover, like ready to tell you like what's going to happen. Like it's like coconut and oil, looks like. Filled with a runny and creamy essence. Okay, I'm just going to be the first one to be like, if you say it's runny, It just does not really sound appetizing to me. Like, I'm not trying to be a hater, and I feel like I'm coming off like a hater, and I'm not trying to be, because actually this is honestly one of my absolutely favorite subscriptions, and I think that this box overall is phenomenal. But the fact that they use runny as a descriptive word just feels a little bit runny and creamy essence. This mask will help smooth out flaky skin and dry patches while strengthening your skin barrier with coconut oil and ceramide. Alright, and the last one is, it says, I can't even pronounce the name, but Centella Repairing Mask, so from Huang Beauty Lab. I kind of like the packaging on this. It's kind of interesting. It's like the colors this month, you ever notice like they actually have like a, like not only is it like themed out for like what everything will do for your skin, but they also have like really nice like colors as well. So this one is a vegan and fragrance free. This mask will help heal your skin, providing it with yummy nutrients to hydrate, moisturize, and soothe irritated skin. Centella asiatica, I don't know if I said that right at all, probably didn't. And then tremella mushroom extract. We're just gonna skip that other word that was there. But yeah, so to recap the box, we got the Let's Talk Vitality from Facetory mask, which is right there. I love the bright green. We got the Lotus mask right here, and let me double check. That one is for soothing and whitening. And then we got this like juice cleanse mask, and like I said, I couldn't understand what the reason was, but this is a vitamin C dot mask. You take this, pour it into here, and like I was trying to say, the difference between usually this box, one of the big differences between this box and the 4-pack is these ones usually more luxury. With that one, you usually get just a standard like fiber sheet mask, and with this one, you'll get like multi-step masks at times too. We got the Yada Brightening Jelly Mask Pack, which is obviously to brighten your skin. We got the Skin Mammon Blueberry Wine Mask, and we got the Revitalizing Ampui Solution Mask right there from Alicia Coy, and the Centella, I can't say it, Centella Repairing Mask. Why can't I read right now? You know why? Because I'm actually filming this in the morning for once instead of like late at night, and I haven't had my coffee yet. That's probably why I have like a little bit of like an edge, because I haven't had coffee yet, and so I'm just like calling it like I see it, and like I don't know. The last one was a repairing mask. So that was everything I got into my box. Got in my box. Okay, cool, interesting. So I'm gonna take off my face mask now and see, hopefully my skin, oh, there goes my phone alarm again. Why is this happening during box week like every day? Oh my gosh, this is honestly funny to me. So that was my phone alarm again. I must be filming these like around similar times. I think I filmed a different one in the morning too. Just want to reveal my skin. It actually does look brighter and more plump. The Soap and Glory mask, I think I talked about this. I don't know if I talked about this, but they actually were doing a lot of box sets of those at TJ Maxx, so I got a bunch of those, which was really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed masking today, and that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. And you want to part of the Just Like Drew crew, and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join Forever Family, because we're literally the best crew around, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for is it day 7? I don't even know anymore. I think it's day 7. Hopefully I said today was day 6, because tomorrow is day 7. Alright, talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. Like, I want to try something, like own a Natasha Denona product, like forever. And she is just not in my budget. Like, she is just not in my price life. I cannot drive